The content in this video was created for documentary and educational purposes only, so if you're not 18 or older, shut it off right now. And if we disappear, go to CannabisLifestyleTV.com. The amount of new products that AC Infinity has just recently dropped is absolutely insane. Now, if you don't know, this is CLtv. My name is Rob, and I'm going to be here today talking a little bit about these new products that AC Infinity has dropped because
I'm blown away.
Like we always do about this time.
So if you're new here, welcome to the show. Subscribe if you would like to. If not, whatever. For those of you who are subscribers, big shout out to you. Much love. Hit that like button if you like videos like this and you want to see more coming out. AC Infinity has been putting out a lot of great stuff, like I mentioned when this video started. And I didn't realize that they were pivoting into so many other areas. Now, the newest product for me that I've gotten recently was the CloudForge T3 environmental plant humidifier. It's an ultrasonic vaporizer that uses digital pulses up to 10 settings of vapor output and fine-tuned control for your plant's humidity. It includes a 4.5 liter water tank, which is definitely solid compared to some of these others I've dealt with, because usually I'm dealing with like a 1 or 2 liter, and that's probably something you should just be having sitting on a desk chilling with you, not necessarily using for your garden, unless you're in a tiny spot. But I mean, if you're in a decent sized space, you're gonna have to step it up and get something more commercial based, we'll say. Now, another cool thing about this humidifier is it comes with a corded sensor probe, as well as extendable tubing so that the humidifier can be positioned outside of the grow tent. You're able to move the moisture distribution around where you need to, whether it be straight direction or in a wide area, and it could extend over 4 feet in length to direct the moisture. They definitely listened, because that's been my biggest gripe, is I'm tired of having shit already in my garden. Sound Canadian.
You hoser?
But with this, you could bend it, you could work it, you could do your thing, and you don't have to worry so much about it sitting inside of your garden. You could put it in the position that you need it to be, so that way it's working for your garden, not in your garden.
That doesn't make sense.
Like I mentioned, this connects to the UIS controller to access digital climate programs, grow cycles, scheduling, alerts, data charts, and everything you need that you can control right through the app when you're on the go. It is an absolute beast. Now, speaking of beast, that controller, like I mentioned, that controller 6.9, well, they got the Pro out now, which this is the one that's hybridized the Bluetooth as well as the Wi-Fi.
Hybrid, eh?
Now, you're able to control up to 4 devices from fans, grow lights, and provide each of their own independent programming, whether it be manually or through the app. You're able to automate all of your devices that you have in there through changing the speeds, brightness levels, whatever you need to, corresponding to the temperature, humidity, and the VPD. So this is going to work as your controller, your timer, everything that you need to take care of the equipment in your garden, all with a solid sensor that's actually one that works, unlike a lot of sensors you see out there in the market nowadays. Now with this, everything connects perfectly to their device itself and the app, but you can also go ahead and get the adapter too, if let's say you have a different light that doesn't work with their products. Now with the UIS lighting adapter, you're able to work with the RJ11 and RJ12 connector grow lights with PWM or 0 to 10 volt dimmers. You're able to control lights like Spider Farmer, Viper, Volt, Mars, plenty of others compatible there. And you're able to automate your light cycles, scheduling, climate triggers, everything that you need right through the app, which again is just so convenient when you're on the go or when you're a busy person like myself to automate one process through one app and not 5 other random apps to do 5 different tasks and stress you the hell out because you got too much going on and you've downloaded all this shit. And I just got a new iPhone, so it's just like,
Damn technology!
last but not least, the Ion Beam full spectrum LED grow light bars with the Samsung LM301H stunners. Now these are 4 LED bars designed for inner canopy or supplemental LED to boost that plant yield. You can expand your light coverage and essentially get more bang for your buck. Now each heavy duty built light is constructed to have IP65 rated, water resistant, and dust entry, enabling it to withstand humidity and climates. All that shit. Now, like I mentioned, these full spectrum white LEDs are top of the line. Not a whole lot of wattage, and also these are going to be used with the smart controller. Another cool thing is you can magnetically mount these onto your grow tent's frame or a canvas that you have with steel bars. And it's really nice for that side lighting or additional canopy lighting depending on how you're growing your plants. Now you're looking at about 28 watts on these. You got a dimming timer, and the life expectancy of these lights is 50,000 hours. For 70 bucks, I mean, yeah, definitely solid lights. And if let's say you've already got all the AC Infinity products like I do myself, which shout out to them for sending them to me, but I've also purchased plenty as well. I was a customer first, so just know that when you're sitting there like, oh, must be nice, just getting free stuff and well, I bought a bunch of shit too, so chill the fuck out. But with the UIS control plug for outlet powered equipment, you're able to power things like your heaters, air conditioners, dehumidifiers, and devices that they don't already have made by AC Infinity, which I'm sure the team over there is already working on some sort of fly ass pimp shit. So overall, AC Infinity, you guys are absolutely crushing it. I'm just beyond blown away. It's like you guys watch these videos and really pay attention and listen and write stuff down and implement it. And with that, I've got a ton of respect for the company. Even before they were sponsoring my brand, I've been giving the company shout outs. And the reason why I'm able to dedicate content like this to them is because they sponsor videos like this. They help me out by sending me equipment like this. And I literally am a ranting, raving fan, even on channels they don't sponsor. So if you're looking to get any of these products, you could use discount code CLtv at checkout, save yourself a little bit of money and get with the program, because I tell you, AC Infinity taking over the damn game, baby. Now, if you want to know more about their auto watering system, check this video out up here. Otherwise, have a great one. Stay lifted. This video is brought to you by Plant Revolution, creators of King Crab, Mycochum, Orca, and of course, Great White Mycorrhizae. If you're wanting the root system to get you the quality and quantity from your plants, you need Plant Revolution in the garden. Use discount code CLtv to save on your next order. And if you're looking to get some dank affordable flower that's certified dank by CLtv, check out the Botanical Company. Again, big shout out to the team over there, as well as Matt Mooney at Franklin Fields for growing some craft herb here in Michigan.
Like we always